Congratulations on your new certification. This quick video will show you how to add your new certification to your LinkedIn profile. If you navigate to your profile on LinkedIn, you'll see a button that says Add Profile section. Click on that, click on Recommended, and then click on Add Licenses and Certifications. Here you enter the name of the certification, and I'm going to use the example IAIP Certified Trainer. And for issuing organization, you're going to type in International Association of Insurance Professionals, and there you'll see our logo. Click on that. Here you enter your issue date, and then you can enter an expiration date if you'd like. We do not have a credential ID, but we do have a credential URL, and that will have been sent to you in an email notifying you of your certification or designation. I'm going to simply paste that URL here and click Save. Here you will see the license or certification has been updated.